Hello friends, welcome back to my channel CMA Sunny Chandarana, and in today's video we would be discussing about the entire US CMA curriculum, and the main part about this entire video is I would be explaining each and every section of part 1 and part 2 in detail. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that all the notifications related to channel is with you. Yeah, one more thing, while I was watching my analytics I came across that you guys are viewing my channel but you are failing to subscribe. So I would request each and every one of you to please subscribe so that it helps me to get motivated, and with that I will come up with such amazing videos. All you need to do is subscribe it, press the bell icon. With that, let's begin. If I have to talk about each part has got 6 sections. In part 1, section A is all about external financial reporting decision, which has got 15% of weightage, and that largely covers the topics like preparation and analysis of financial statement, revenue recognition, balance sheet areas like financial reporting, regulation. Also, there are some key differences between US GAAP and IFRS, and amazing, very voluminous. If I have to talk about section B, which is planning, budgeting and forecasting, it covers 20% of the entire syllabus. That largely covers budgeting techniques, forecasting methods, CVP analysis, which is nothing but cost, volume, profit analysis, variance analysis, type of budgets, and many more. This section is more of a practical base and has got MCQs asked during exam. Very important thing to be covered is, you need to practice MCQs to excel in this section. If I have to talk about section C is all about performance management, which also includes 20% of your entire syllabus of part 1. It includes costing, balance scorecard, standard costing, responsibility accounting, KPIs. It is a more of a practical based and important tool from an exam point of view. It also covers 20%, so do not miss to see. Section D is all about the costing, which covers the concepts like costing system, overhead allocation, process costing. It is a combination of theory and practical, so one needs to have a conceptual clarity in order to excel in this section. A very important section which includes 15% of your entire syllabus. The section E is all about internal controls, a very theoretical topic, covers some topics like governance, risk management, internal control frameworks, compliance. This is a complete theory based, so one needs to read this section thoroughly and make pointers to crack essay. Guys, this section is largely asked in essays and largely asked in MCQs, so one need to excel in those areas. Very last topic is technology and analytics. Again, important for areas like data governance, analytics, cyber security, emerging technologies across your corporate world. It is a more of a theoretical in nature, but I want you guys to focus on the theories because there are different jargons that needs to be remembered. Try to make your handwritten notes when I talk about section F of part, because it is a very important. Your handwritten notes will really help you. So till now, if you are liking this video, do subscribe and press the bell icon so that all the updates related to channel is with you. Now let's talk about part 2. For part 2, section A, financial statement analysis, covers 20% of the entire part 2 syllabus. It covers important topics like financial ratio, vertical and horizontal analysis, cash flow analysis, and assessment of financial health. If I have to talk about part 2, in section B, it is a corporate finance. Again, a very important topic that includes 20% of the entire part 2 syllabus. It focuses on areas like capital budgeting, cost capital, working capital management, and there are different financing options. For part C, which is decision analysis, which is completely marginal costing, guys, and it also covers 25% of the entire syllabus. It covers important topics like marginal analysis, cost volume analysis, CVP analysis, pricing decision. Very important practical subject which covers 25%. If I have to talk about now section D, which is risk management, it is a complete theory based topic. 10% of the weightage it has got, focuses on risk assessment, risk mitigation strategies. All you need to understand is the key terms and jargons if you want to excel in this section. If I have to talk about section E of part 2, it includes investment decisions, completely capital budgeting concept. It covers areas like time value of money, capital investment, analysis, some valuation techniques. Section F, which is nothing but professional ethics, it covers 15% of the entire part 2 CMA curriculum, which covers IMA statement of ethical professional practice, corporate governance, certain ethical decision making, and a very important syllabus from an essay point of view. Apart from that, if you want to pass each and every group of US CMA, you need to at least score 360 on 500. It is a computer-based testing centers which are happening in Prometric centers. The testing windows are in Jan, Feb, May, June, September, October. The exam duration is 4 hours, each part 4 hours, 100 questions of MCQs in which you need to score at least 50% to get along with essays in excess. You need to score good. Overall, your score should be 360 out of 500. And honestly, if you like this video where I've come up with entire discussion highlighting the important topics, if you really like this video, please subscribe, because it motivates me to come up with such videos. But till then, you take care.